Question is, let alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square plus root 6 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we can find the value alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 upon alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10. Now, solution. Given equation is x square plus root 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to root 6, c is equal to 3. Okay, solution formula minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, x is equal to, b value is root 6, minus root 6 plus minus root over root 6 whole square minus 4, a value is 1, c value is 3 by 2a. Okay, x is equal to minus root 6 square root cancel here plus minus root over 6 minus 12 by 2 into 1 2. Now x is equal to minus root 6 plus minus root over minus 6 by 2. Root minus 1 is I, minus root 6 plus or minus I root 6 by 2. Okay, here root 6 is common, minus 1 plus minus plus or minus I by 2. Root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2 of minus 1 plus minus I by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancelled. X is equal root 3 into minus 1 plus or minus I by root 2. This can be written as implies x is equal to root 3 into minus 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Okay, minus 1 by root 2, I into 1. I into 1 by root 2. Okay, that implies x is equal to root 3 into here plus or minus. Okay. Alpha is equal to root 3 into minus 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Beta is equal to root 3 into minus 1 by root 2 minus I into 1 by root 2. Okay. Alpha is equal to root 3 into cos 3 pi by 4. Cos 135 value is minus 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 3 pi by 4. Sin 135 value is 1 by root 2. I into sin 3 pi by 4. Okay. Alpha is equal to this. Similarly, beta is equal to root 3 into cos 3 pi by 4 minus I sin 3 pi by 4. Okay. Alpha power n is equal to 3 power 1 by 2 whole power n cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4 whole power n. Alpha power n is equal to 3 power n by 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos 3n pi by 4 plus I sin 3n pi by 4. Okay. Similarly, beta power n is equal to 3 power n by 2 cos 3n pi by 4 minus I sin 3n pi by 4. Here similarly. Okay, alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to 3 power n is common, 3 power n by 2 is common, cos 3n pi by 4 plus I sin 3n pi by 4 plus cos 3n pi by 4 minus I sin 3n pi by 4. Okay, minus my plus cancel. Alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to 3 power n by 2 cos 3n by 4 plus cos 3n pi by 4 is 2 cos 3n pi by 4. Okay, if you want cos alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 upon alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 plus alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 value. Okay. Alpha power n plus beta power n is 3 power n by 2, 2 cos 3n pi by 4. Alpha power 23 plus beta power 23 value is that is equal to 3 power 23 by 2, 2 cos 3 into 3 into 23 pi by 4. Okay, plus alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 is 3 power 14 by 2 into 2 cos 3 into 14 pi by 4 upon 3 power 50. Alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 is 3 power 15 by 2 into cos 3 into 15 pi by 4. Here alpha power 10 plus beta power 10 is 3 power 10 by 2 into 2 cos 3 into 10 into pi by 4. Okay. 3 power 23 by 2 into 2 cos 23 3s are 69 pi by 4 plus this is 7. Okay, 3 power 7 into 2 2s are 2 7s are cos 21 pi by 2. In denominator 3 power 15 by 2 into 2 cos 45 pi by 4. Okay, plus here 2 times 5 times 2 ones are 2 5s are 3 power 5 into here 2 2 cos 5 2 15 pi by 2. Okay, since here cos 21 pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 21 pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 15 pi by 2 also 0. These two terms totally zeros. Okay, 3 power here 2 2 cancel, 3 power 23 by 2 cos 16 plus 5 pi by 4, 16 pi plus 5 pi by 4, 16 into 4 64 pi plus 5 pi 69 pi by 4. Okay, here 3 power 15 by 2 cos 10 pi plus 5 pi by 4, 10 into 4 40 pi by 45 plus 5 45 pi by 4. So this is pi plus theta, cos 180 plus theta having third quadrant, this is negative, minus 3 power 23 by 2 cos 5 pi by 4 minus 3 power 15 by 2. This is also same, this is even number, cos pi plus theta minus cos theta, 5 pi by 4. Minus minus cancel, 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 cancelled. Okay, you get 3 power 23 by 2 into 3 power minus 15 by 2. This taking numerator. Bases are equal, power should be added. 20 by 3 by 2 minus 15 by 2. 3 power 23 minus 15. 8 by 2. 3 power 8 by 2. 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. That's enough.